In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme on your Roku TV or streaming device, including your wallpaper and screensaver. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on the Roku home screen, go ahead and scroll down or up on this left-hand sidebar until you see settings. Open up settings, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a little theme section right here. Go ahead and choose that. Now, once you're inside the theme menu, find the little wallpapers tab right here, and you're going to see two main types, or three if you already have some saved. Essentially, you're going to see these featured ones, which are going to be kind of like your standard ones, and essentially it's going to be dynamic, or it's going to be static. Static obviously means no motion. Dynamic means it's going to have a little bit of animations. Essentially, just scroll through these options and find whatever one that you would like. Obviously, these ones are super popular, and the popular ones are a little bit better in my opinion. They look phenomenal. But pick one that you want, go ahead and select it, and you are good to go. From here, go ahead and press the back button, and what you're going to want to do is go to screensavers and browse through all the available options on here until you find one that you like as well. Some may require a quick little download before applying. You could also use additional settings to customize things like the screensaver timing and theme preference. It's really up to you. Whenever you have everything the way that you want, hit the home button on your remote, return to the main menu, and you'll see that theme has been applied. And it really is as simple as that. That is how you could change the theme here on a Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.